Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wi-Fi troubleshooting for an EV charger in USA Homes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your EV charger is powered on and connected to the electrical outlet. Locate your home Wi-Fi router. Check that your router is functioning correctly and is connected to the internet. On your smartphone or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the network name associated with your EV charger. Connect to the EV charger's Wi-Fi network. Next, open your preferred web browser. Enter the IP address provided in the charger's manual. This will take you to the charger's configuration page. Log in using the default credentials, usually found in the manual. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings option in the menu. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list displayed. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, ensuring no typos. Save the settings and wait for the charger to establish a connection to your home network. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. If you encounter any errors, double-check your Wi-Fi credentials. You may also want to restart your router if connection issues persist. Close the browser and reconnect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi. Finally, test the charging functionality of your EV by plugging it in. Confirm that the charger is communicating over your Wi-Fi network by accessing the app or monitoring software linked with your charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.